So we are taking about third question. So here you can observe that two variables will be involved over here. So which one taken should be taken first? Here if you observe, the inner part is considered as the first priority. So that means inner part is related to what, dx. The limits will be this two. Okay. And what about the outer part? Outer part dy is there. So limit for y will be this one. So let us write that first. So I becomes, let us just name this particular integral as what, I, and integration of 0 to 1 is considered the limit for y because y is sitting outside. So outside integral is y. So y is equal to 0 to 1. Then inside part x is sitting, so the next integral becomes x equal to 0 to x equal to what, square root of 1 minus y square. Then the function, that is x cube y dx and dy, right? Now we have to do the integration part. Now it is with respect to what, x we have to do the integration, the inner part we are focusing. So the x, in the sense, what happens here, the y will be constant, right? So it is equal to, the outer limit will remain same, so y is equal to 0 to y is equal to 1. So the inner part, what happens here, y is constant, and x cube integration is what, x power 4 by 4. So what formula we are applying here, integration of x power n dx is equal to what, x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus the integration constant c. Now here we have to apply the limits. Limits will be what, x equal to 0 to x equal to square root of 1 minus y square. Okay, then dy will be there, the outer part integral. Okay, now here we have to focus on x equal to and x. In place of x we have to substitute, y is treated as what, constant. So let us now apply the limit. So integral I is equal to, outside integral will remain same, y is equal to 0 to y is equal to 1, and so y into, so let us focus on the upper limit. So upper limit, when I apply, what happens, and 4 is also constant, so what I'll do, so y by 4 I'll take it outside. Now I'll apply what, upper limit. So upper limit is square root of 1 minus y square, and again power 4 has come. Okay, minus lower limit I'll apply, so 0 I am going to apply. So it is 0 power 4 is for 0 itself, so you can leave it over here. So upper limit is, lower limit is not there. Okay, dy is there. Okay, next, so what happens to this particular thing, we have to simplify. So let us now simplify that. So I is equal to integration of y is equal to 0 to y is equal to 1, and y by 4 is sitting outside. What happens to inside part, this is y 1 minus y square. Now this is 4, power 4 is there. So what happens if I take square root of 1 minus y square, okay, square I'll do, and one more square. This is also the same thing. These two are exactly same. Why am I doing this? For understanding purpose, this square and square root will get cancelled. So what is remaining then? 1 minus y square, the whole square is remaining. So that I am going to write here. 1 minus y square, the whole square. Then what is left out? dy. Okay, so this can be further simplified. I is equal to integral y is equal to 0 to y is equal to 1, then y by 4 into a minus b, the whole square is what, a square, which is 1 square 1, minus 2 into a into b, so 2y square, plus b square, which is y power 4. Y square will be y power 4, and this entire thing what, dy. So now next, y can be multiplied inside. This 4 is nothing but a constant, you take it outside. So I is equal to 1 by 4, I'll take it outside. Integration of y equal to 0 to y equal to 1, and y I'll multiply. So what happens? Y minus 2y cube plus y power 5 dy. Now we are going for the integration here. With respect to y, we have to integrate, all the variables are with respect to y itself. So direct integration we can do over here. So I is equal to 1 by 4 outside. So y integration will be what? Y square by 2, okay, minus 2 as it is. Y cube will be y power 4 by 4, then plus y power 6 by 6, and here the limits will be y is equal to 0 to y equal to 1. Now little bit what we can do the simplification. 2 ones are 2 twos are cancel. Now when you apply the limits, what happens? 1 by 4, upper limit is what? 1. So I will apply the upper limit first. So it will be 1 power 2 by 1 square by 2, which is 1 by 2, minus 1 power 4 means 1 by 2 again, then plus 1 power 6 is 1 by 6, and lower limit we can know that 0 when you apply over here in place of y, it becomes 0 by 0 by 0 by, so it is 0 itself, so no need to write. So this is done. So equal to 1 by 4 into 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 cancel. So what is remaining? 1 by 6. This will be multiplied. How much you are getting? 1 by 24. So I value becomes what? 1 by 24.